We don't prefer any kind of formalities. So even today here, as already we were a little late with time, I would like to start. First of all, I'd like to appreciate that you all were there on time and you finished your lunch very fast, right? So thanks for that. Right, so the word mutual means both, sharing, right? And today I'm going to talk something related with that. It's going to be like you and your life. It's going to be you and your work. And you and your clients. I was told that English would be the preferable language here, and I hope that everybody would understand English. But even in the last session itself, I observed that couple of people were really happy when a couple of words were spoken in Hindi. So I'll combine my language a little bit, right? I hope everybody would be comfortable with that. Right, so a simple question to all of you. Why do you work hard? I know it's going to be a very, very simple question, but I have asked these questions to millions of people around India and out of India, and I've got three common answers. And that is, every one of us works hard to achieve success, happiness, and peace in life. But the question is, 6 billion people in the world are working for the same. But how can everyone achieve that? It's a huge question, right? And for achieving this, up till now we have learned so many different things. And majority of the people believe that hard work is the way to achieve that. But friends, I believe that hard work isn't enough. Because along with that, it's very much necessary to work smart. Now, how do I define the smart work? Smart work for me is simply two things. Working in the right direction with the right method. Here, I'm not going to talk much about the right direction, because I hope you all already have a perfect direction. I'm going to talk much more on the right method. But when it comes to direction, the simple word could be towards our goal, towards our purpose. And I believe that each and every one of you are very much aware with the concept of goal or the goal setting. And nowadays, in the self-improvement industry, it has been a very common subject. But yes, adding on to that, I'll just say a couple of things. First, it's very much necessary that every year, when you are coming here, this is the 3rd annual meet here. Every year when you're coming here, it's very much necessary that you prepare your targets for the next year, which you might be doing. But the question is, how big are your goals? Because, you see, if you decide to be just, where you are, there's not going to be enough. In this competitive world, it's very much necessary that you set as big goals as you can. Because then only you can excel, and that's necessary. Power of thinking big, right? And each and every one of you might be aware with that. Along with that, a small thing, and that is, share your goals with everyone. You see, many times I have seen that people keep majority of their goals private, a kind of pocket goals, I don't know why, but it's necessary that you share your goals. Sharing goals would have three common benefits. First, once you share your goal with everyone, what happens is, if you forget your goals, people will make you aware and remind you that, hey man, you talked about this, where is it? So they'll make you again and again remind, for the same, what you had decided. Because we humans decide so many things, but very suddenly we also immediately forget those things, right? So if you tell your company, your boss, your colleagues, your family members about your goals, they'll keep reminding you, and that's really great thing, right? Second would be, once you have shared your goal with everyone, what happens is, then it comes on your image, that as you have told people, you're supposed to fulfill that. And that's a big motivation and inspiration in every walk of life. अगर उसमें हिंदी में कहूँ तो, लोगों को बता दिया, फिर इज्जत के खातिर भी करना पड़ेगा. And that's a huge point, right? Third point would be, and that is, once you have shared your goal, what happens is, people who even have the same goal can start helping you, supporting you in many different ways. Up till you have shared your goal with your near and dear ones, they won't have a dream that what exactly you want in your life. But if they know, they can start supporting you, helping you, and that's a great thing. So, Once you set your goal, it's very much necessary that you share with people. एक बार आप अपना गोल डिसाइड कर ले, फिर लोगों को बताइए, अपने बॉस, अपने कलीग्स, अपने एम्प्लॉयज, हर जगह पर अपने परिवार को. Tell everyone, right? Now, as I told you, I'm not going to much talk about the same because that's a very common subject. Now, smart work was right direction. Yes, right direction is towards the goal, but it's also about working in the right method. Now, what is this going to be the right method? Today, I'm not going to talk much about the mind because, from last 14 years, I have been guiding people about their mind and mind power and so many things. But today, I'm going to talk a little bit with the related subject for which we all are here. You see, what's your product? I know you might have all the different answers, right? When I'm asking the question, what's your product? But to be very honest, our product is nothing but money. And each and every one of us who are working in any different aspects of life are working for money. Now, a simple question. Whatever you buy from the market, it could be a mobile, it could be a laptop, or it could be a car. Each and everything has got along with it an instructional manual. हर एक चीजें जो आप खरीदते हैं उसके साथ आपको एक इंस्ट्रक्शनल मैनुअल मिलता है और उस इंस्ट्रक्शन मैनुअल में देयर आर टू थिंग्स रिटर्न. फर्स्ट, डूज एंड डोंट्स. What you are supposed to do with that thing and what you are supposed to not do with that thing, right? For example, whatever the do's are, if you are doing that, that particular thing will support you for long. You will be able to utilize maximum of its, utilities and power. And if you are doing something which is a don't, okay, that thing can damage that particular thing.